When should you refinance? This question obviously comes up all the time when people are thinking, well, should they do it or should they not do it? And I think most homeowners are looking for this number to kind of wrap their head around, oh, I should refinance when it's 0.5% lower or 1% lower. But really, kind of want to stay away from that because there's no one size fits all. Want to know that when you're refinancing, there is a goal in mind, there's a purpose. So instead of focusing only on the interest rate, think about monthly payment. Somebody might be doing a cash out refinance because they have really high interest rates on their credit cards or their car payment, and they want to consolidate into one mortgage that helps them reduce a lot of money on their monthly payment, or maybe get rid of a mortgage insurance because that's a few $100s. They want to get rid of that. It's not always interest rate driven. However, if you do just want somewhere to start, maybe say, 0.5%, but when you're talking about a lower loan amount, that 0.5% is not a huge difference versus a larger loan amount. Somebody could be saving a few hundred to over $1,000 per month by saving that 0.5%. So I guess the message is you can think about, okay, maybe having a number in mind to just kind of get started. But ultimately, you do want to crunch the numbers to see how much the refinance is going to cost you, or maybe it doesn't cost you anything, and what you're going to get from it. So what is the monthly savings? What is the desired goal? And what it's going to cost, if anything, upfront. And I will make sure to go explain that in the other videos so you know how much it's actually costing you to do the refinance and if it makes sense for you. And if you want me to crunch any scenarios, numbers for you, of course, you can always reach out to me and I'm happy to do that for you. All right, so see you at the next video.